welcome to my channel, Dr. Fashion, where science meets creativity. Today I'm going to be designing a personalized lab coat using my Cricut machine. I always believe that fashion and science belong together, and this project is a perfect blend of both. Now, this video is sponsored by Cricut, but more of them in just a sec. The idea of designing this lab coat means a lot to me. When I first decided to start blending fashion and science together here on this channel, I honestly was not sure how people would react, but now it's one of the things that I am most proud of. I get messages from all over the world, from young women, men, and even aspiring scientists and teachers that tell me the combination of the two inspire them to express themselves fully, and for that I am forever grateful. And because of everyone's support, we are now getting closer to 2 million subscribers here on this channel. So today I am designing a lab coat for me, and also for the aspiring scientists out there that want to show up as themselves. Smart, stylish, and unstoppable. So let's get into the behind the scenes of my design process, and let me take you back to where it all started. I'm going to be using heat transfer vinyl from Cricut. But before we press anything on the garment, I am going to create a mock-up in the Cricut design space. This is a great way to ensure that your text align in the places that you want before you heat press. So I'm going to put my name above the pocket. Usually you find doctors with their signature on their white coat. Next, I'm going to add in other elements. I thought the needle with the heart was a perfect representation of me as a fashion designer and a seamstress. So I'm going to place this slightly under my name. Next, I'm going to add in more elements. You can find what you want by typing it in the search. So I decided to add an atom. This is a representation of science. And then I added a stethoscope. Now I'm going to add affirmation around the hemline of the white coat. I wanted to add text that really represent me as a creator, as an aspiring scientist, and a future doctor. And so I'm probably going to make some changes after, but for now I'm loving the way the coat is looking. Next, I'm going to add something to the back. I decided to type in the word science to see what will pop up and what I would add as the graphic. So there's tons of things to choose from, but I really love this one that says a moment of science, please. I think it's super cute, so I decided to add it to the middle of the back. So far, this is what we have. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before I go ahead and cut it out on the vinyl. So I have everything in place here, and I was able to hide the layer of my mock-up so it doesn't disrupt what I have on the main layout for cutting. I don't know about you all, but crafting is so therapeutic for me. When I decided to make this coat, I knew this would be something that I would be wearing quite often. Not just for cool science projects, but also to be fashionable in gear as I'm doing my sewing tutorials. Here you can see some words I've chosen to represent me as an individual, but also to inspire me. It's so amazing to me that I've gotten this far. I never thought that I would be on this path to becoming a doctor, let alone learning the world of science. It was one movie that changed my life, and it's one of the reasons I'm on this journey. Years ago, I went to the movies to see Hidden Figures, where I learned about 3 African American women who were essential to the success of early space flight. That movie inspired me so much that I decided to enroll in school the following semester as a biochemistry major and also as a pre-med student. It's funny thinking about it because science was never really my favorite subject in high school, and now is all I talk about. Here is the back of the coat after heat pressing the vinyl. I'm highly satisfied with the way that the coat turned out. My sister suggested that I add words of affirmation inside of the coat instead of the hemline. So I decided to place I am the blueprint where the buttons are inside of the coat. And this is the final look. You can kind of see the front of it And then I'm going to show you the back, and it really stands out and pop on the white coat. I am extremely happy and satisfied. Please let me know in the comments what you think. We did it. I am like extremely happy about this lab coat. And I'm not even done. You know, we just did the basics of it, right? Just adding in the heat transfer vinyl, but I want to add some rhinestones. I might add some trimming to it. I'm going to spice it up. And you guys are going to see it changing over time in a lot of my videos. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will love to know what you would like to see next on this channel. And also tell me, what projects will you be creating on your Cricut machine? Make sure to leave a comment. But lastly, make sure you share, like, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys for the next video.